welcome again to the ACE channel, where we look at some of the ACE products that are on sale from us. Remember, we sell anything from a connector to a radio mast, and all brands from Intel to Zontec. Let's have a look at what we'll be doing today.
Today we will be having a look at the Hytera VM580. This of course is a body-worn camera, Android PDT type device. It's got 32 gig memory and it is an all-in-one device with a little display. Comes in a dark colored, I don't know what would you call this, grey, almost brownish colored box. And let's have a look at it. We have already looked at this. This is a demo unit which we received from Hytera to test, and what we have inside is the device itself. I will switch the device on, and so while it starts up we can have a look at what else is available. There you see it starts up, and inside the box I see we only have a belt clip. So the belt clip is the only other thing that is available. It is a crocodile clip type device with a little latch there that you can put onto your belt so it doesn't accidentally come out. Yes, if I have a look at this device, you will see that we have used Walkie Fleet to test it with, and it worked actually very well. There is no SIM card in this device. There is no SIM card in this device. You can see it is recording, it is looking through the lens what I'm seeing. Okay, there's a camera up front. I'm not sure what the pixels of the camera is. I will put the details in the description below. I can see that it has a dedicated PDT button, one that's marked as M, and on the other side you have a movie or camera button at the top, and an A and a B button. Okay, those can be programmed as different things. It also has a dedicated emergency button with the power button there and the belt clip here. Once again, all my concern about this type of belt clip is mentioned on the other videos, but nevertheless I'm sure these people have done their research and thus know what they talk about. You will see the belt clip moves in like that. It is a non-swivel belt clip. It swivels like that, but it certainly does not swivel in this direction, which gives you limitation that you can only put it in a bulletproof in a manner like this. That means that the picture is now the wrong way around, or you can clamp it like that. I'm not sure what the little hook there is. I've seen it on some other body cams as well, and I'm not sure why they do that. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments, and I can surely have a look at that. It can swivel many ways, but not sideways. So I'm going to take this off as it is fairly bulky with it on. Okay, the advantage of this type of camera is that even when you take the battery out to recharge it, it will stay on. Unfortunately, the battery inside is flat at this point in time, so I think it'll immediately complain that the battery is not charged once I take it out. It has a charging port at the bottom, but also charging slots on the side. It comes with a cable only. It does not have a charger, so I assume they suppose you're using it into like a dock type charger. What I know about the Hytera system is that you can buy it with a docking station where you drop it in and it'll pull the data out of the device onto like a platform. But there are subscription fees on that. The battery inside here is a 2000 milliampere hour battery I'm not sure with this display of this size how long that will last. It is a small little display, which I will maybe put all the description and all the specs in the description line at the bottom. But it is a nice small device. It is entry level, like I've said, but perfect if you have security officers in the field that you want to view. You can view on the fly with our app in it. What we could do is we could remotely monitor it, or we can view it, and you can PTT and do everything at the same time. Very handy little thing. I think we are still going to see lots of these devices being sold, especially in our country. Just to show you, the battery simply slides out. It will keep the device on while the battery is out. So there is a small limited battery on the inside. It does not, it is very difficult to get the battery out as it sits fairly tight in there. Nevertheless, the battery slides inside there. Very difficult to get out. I think it is probably made that way. I cannot really comment on. There you can see the battery is out and it is still on, but because the battery was flat, it didn't last long. So the idea is the battery would be able to come out, still be able to record, so that the user cannot tamper with it. Lithium-ion polymer battery, of course it slides in. This is a fairly waterproof device. You can see with the seal on the side here. It is a BP3001. It's interesting that it says it's a 3000 milliampere hour battery versus what it says on the side. I can see it says there 3000 milliampere hour, and it says on the display itself 2000 milliampere hour. Sorry, that is the input of 2000 milliamps. So it'll charge the battery in an hour and a half. It'll be full. So it's got a 3000 milliamp battery hour, a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and it will accept that you can charge it at a rate of 2 amps. That is actually very good. So there you go. You can see the battery fits inside, very snug inside. It has a decent seal. It sits on the back. I don't know, as mentioned, I do not know what the advantages are of doing something like this. With the two-way radios, we have limited devices that work like that. But a very nice crisp screen, a very nice feel, a nice size in the hand, but also lightweight, not too heavy on the belt or in your pocket of some sort. So there you go, my review of the Hytera VM580 Bodycam type device.
Thank you for watching another great review from AceComms. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. Also feel free to send a comment, request for a review or just a shout out. Stay safe till next time.